Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package and the mobile office package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with a side view camera and blind spot detection. We do have a nice hood deflector on the front, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, there's a block heater back there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, 2 cup holders, a nice little 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120 volt, and of course if you need more space you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are mostly powered, with that being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake and lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 18.9 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Taking a look at your screen up here, we do have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue your look here, got a fair bit of storage, with storage underneath as well, storage cubby, cup holders, storage, USB and USB-C, leather-wrapped center console that does fold out for a nice little workstation, as well as storage in the console as well, drive modes, as well as rear locking differential, four-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist. You have your climate controls, dual climate, 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as below, storage above. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, or whatever you like, apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE50741, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.